This video explains how to buy shares of Kodiak Robotics Inc. using the ticker KDK. Kodiak Robotics develops autonomous long-haul trucking systems and trades on NASDAQ under KDK. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a regulated broker to place the trade. I use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KDK to find Kodiak Robotics. Select the listing that matches the NASDAQ exchange to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm the security. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker KDK to verify it is the right listing. To invest, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order type and any fees, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued to execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same platform steps shown.